Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Gaurav and in this video we are going to talk about something really exciting. ElevenLabs has launched their new Dubbing V2 and it's really a game changer for all the creators out there. So let's dive into the tutorial.
Today we are taking a look at ElevenLabs Dubbing V2, one of the easiest ways to localize your videos for a global audience. Instead of recording separate voiceovers for every language, ElevenLabs automatically translates your content and recreates it using a voice that closely matches the original speaker's delivery. Now let's jump into my screen and I'll show you exactly how to use it. Now let's see how to dub your content using ElevenLabs Dubbing V2. From the dashboard, click on Dubbing from the left sidebar. Here you'll see two options. You can either paste a YouTube video URL or upload a video directly. For this tutorial, let's upload a video. Simply drag and drop your file or click Select from Files to choose it from your computer. Before uploading, keep in mind that your video should be at least 11 seconds long and can be up to 180 minutes with a maximum file size of 2 GB. Once your video is uploaded, choose the target language you want to dub it into. ElevenLabs currently supports 90+ languages, so you can easily localize your content for audiences around the world. If you click on Advanced, you'll find the Speaker Similarity setting. This controls how closely the dubbed voice matches the original speaker. Higher values preserve more of your original voice and accent, while lower values make the voice sound more natural in the target language. For this demo, I'll set the speaker similarity to 10 so the dubbed voice stays as close as possible to the original. Once everything is ready, click Generate. ElevenLabs will automatically transcribe, translate and dub your video. Depending on the length of your video, this may take a few moments. After the process is complete, you can preview the dubbed version, compare it with the original and download the final video.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You're here Gaurav और की है वीडियो का भी बहुत ही रोमांचक बात करने वाले हैं. ElevenLabs ने अपना नया Dubbing V2 y de verdad que cambia las reglas del juego para todos draußen. Also, lasst uns direkt in das Tutorial eintauchen.